Looking for simple and unique ways to lose weight? Let's us tell you a very unique fruit which can help you lose weight. Avocado. It is a good source of healthy fats that can help you lose weight quickly, as they are also low in calories and sugar. The avocado is a unique fruit that has many benefits. They are a fruit that is botanically related to the palm and is a member of the fruit family. They are usually eaten as a snack or in place of candy. Avocado consumption can help improve your daily caloric intake by up to 20 grams. It is not only nutritious, but it can also help improve your skin and hair health. Avocado has been shown to boost your mood and increase creatine levels, and it has even been shown to help with weight loss. There are 6 main ways that avocados can help with weight loss. Great source of fiber. They are also a healthy food to eat because they have a lot of vitamins and minerals. Fiber is important for weight loss because it helps to keep you feeling full. When you feel full, you are less likely to overeat. Avocados are also high in soluble fiber, which has been shown to help with weight loss. Pack of healthy fats. Avocados contain healthy fats. This may seem counterintuitive, but healthy fats are actually good for weight loss. Healthy fats help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. They also help to slow down the absorption of other nutrients, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels. High water content. Avocados are a fruit that has a high water content. This means that when they are eaten, the avocado will absorb water from the stomach and then release it slowly into the small intestine. This is important because water helps to keep you hydrated. When you are properly hydrated, your body is able to function at its best. Additionally, water can help to fill you up and prevent you from overeating. Low in calories. When it comes to snacks, many people tend to focus on sugary foods. However, if you're looking for a healthy snack that won't fill you up, then avocados are a great option. Avocados have plenty of calories, but they're also low in sugar. This means that they don't make you feel as bloated or cravings for bigger meals come later. Avocados are also low in calories. This is important because it means that you can eat a lot of them without consuming a lot of calories. Additionally, the calories in avocados are mostly from healthy fats and fiber, which are both beneficial for weight loss. Metabolism booster. Metabolism is the process by which your body burns calories. A higher metabolism means that your body burns more calories, which can help with weight loss. Avocados contain nutrients that have been shown to boost metabolism, such as vitamin C and copper. Prevent hunger. Hunger is a problem that many people face, and it can be hard to avoid. It's important to know how to prevent hunger from happening in the first place. If you want to avoid hunger altogether, eating avocados is a great way to go. Avocados are a healthy snack option that can help you stay away from hunger. They're a good source of potassium and vitamin C. They provide both necessary nutrients and calorie-free options, so you won't need to worry about being hungry all the time. This is because they contain fiber and healthy fats, which help to keep you feeling full. Additionally, the nutrients in avocados can help to regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent hunger cravings. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.